everyone. We're going to find the values of the constants a, b, and c for the graph of the function y equals x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c. That passes through this point, 1, comma 2. Also, the graph and the line y equals 3x minus 2 intersect at only one point, 2, comma 4. So the first thing I know is that it passes through this point. So that means I can substitute in my 1 for x and my y for 2. So I'm going to take this equation and substitute that in. We're going to get 2 equals 1 cubed, it's just 1. Then we're just going to get a plus b plus c. Therefore, if I subtract 1, I get a plus b plus c equals 1. I'm going to call this equation 1. All right. Also, I can look at f of x, rewrite my y as f of x, and this is where your calculus comes in. It passes through the point 1, comma 2, and the graph of and the line y equal 3x minus 2 intersect at this point. So we know that this line has a slope of 3. So if I take the derivative of my function, which is going to be 3x squared plus 2ax plus b, then I know that f prime of 2, so it intersects at this point. I know at the derivative that's going to give me my slope of 3. So therefore I'm going to take this equation and substitute in my points. So we're going to have 3 and your x is 2 at this point here. So 3 times 2 squared plus 2a times 2 plus b. All right, this is going to equal 12 plus 4a plus b equals 3. Because this is supposed to equal 3, by the way. Equals 3. All right, so basically when you have this, we simplify and we're going to get 4a plus b equals negative 9. This is going to be equation 2, and I just subtracted 12 from both sides here. And then finally, since this point also lies on the line 2, comma 4, I'm going to do like I did my other point 1, comma 2 and substitute that in. So basically, since it lies on the graph, we're going to have our y is 4, so you have 4, let's use a different color, 4 equals 2 cubed plus a times 2 squared plus 2b plus c. Let's see, this is going to be 4 equals 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus c. And we can subtract 8 from both sides, and that's going to give me 4a plus 2b plus c equals negative 4. And we're going to call this equation 3. Now I have a simultaneous equations here, and I can solve. The first thing I'm going to do is subtract 1 from this 3. So let's do that. We're going to take our equation 3 and subtract 1, because that's going to eliminate my c. So let's do that. We have 3 is 4a plus 2b plus c. That equals negative 4. And we're going to subtract a plus b plus c equals 1. And when you do that, you're going to get 3a plus b, the c's cancel, and this is going to be negative 5. I'm going to call this one equation 4. So now we have 3a plus b equals negative 5. All right. And then since we have just a and b for equations 1 and 2, I can take 2 minus 4. So this one was 3 minus 1. Now I'm going to do 2 minus 4. So 2 is 4a plus B equals negative 9. And 4 is 3A plus B equals negative 5. And then we subtract. The B's will cancel. So A is going to equal negative 4 because you're minus a negative here. So that gives you negative 4. So if A equals negative 4, and then all you have to do is substitute in your negative 4 into one of these equations. I'll just do this one. So this is going to be 4 times negative 4 plus B equals negative 9. So you add 16 to both sides, and you're going to get B equals 7. So now we have B equals 7. And then you just have to take one of these other equations to get C. So we can take this one or this one. I'm going to choose this one. Well, let's solve for C here. So if we write C equals 1 minus A minus B, then let's just substitute in our A and B, and we'll get it. We'll get C equals 1 minus negative 4 minus 7. And this is going to equal 1 plus 4 minus 7. That gives you negative 2. So your C equals negative 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.